What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Alicia, also known as Alicia Trades. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use breaker blocks as an entry model, also aligned with the higher time frame. So right here, I'm on the 1 hour chart. We had this weekly open gap right here that has officially gotten filled. So, So I'll officially be looking for some type of retracement because we have been going up for a very, very long time. And right here as well, we see a 1 hour fair value gap that's right below this 4 hour order block right here. So if we go to the 4 hour time frame, we have this order block right here. The reason why I'm not using this 4 hour is because it's just really big. It's a really big zone. And if you go to the 1 hour, there is a minor zone right here, right there. But as you see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles, and that left multiple gaps, but this is the lowest gap. And as you see, it did get touched. It didn't get filled, but it did get touched. So I don't consider this a zone because it's not a fresh zone. And so we go up to this one, and there's nothing that has retested it yet. It's also pretty much aligned with this 4 hour. So I just feel a lot more comfortable with this zone. And then right here, we will play this and see price come up and tap it perfectly, okay? Then at this point, we'll scale down to the 1 minute. And you see price tapped it perfectly, but I am going to wait for price to come and take this liquidity up here because it is bouncing off of a higher time frame zone. And I've realized if you scale down to the 1 minute, price likes to, right? It's going up, boom, it respects it perfectly. It wants to go down, pretending like it's collecting orders, right? Pretending that price is going to shoot down at this point. But we got a lot of stop losses right here. So say people, did a little sell limit, did a sell limit right here. Typically, people don't really put their stops above the zone. They'll put it right above this previous swing high, right? So if you see right here, boom, everybody got stopped out that were in these cells if they didn't put their stop loss right here. So at this point, this is how I know, okay, and then right here, we also created an order block. At this point, I will wait for price to come down. If it's going to respect this zone, great. Then we'll look for a sell up here. Or if this whole zone's going to get filled, then we can wait for price to then break this order block and then either come up, retest to continue down. At this point, then we'll consider this a breaker block, okay? Because it's not a fresh order block, it becomes a breaker, if that makes sense. So right here, we'll play it a little bit, okay? We tap the zone, we're respecting it, and then boom, right here, this makes this zone invalid. So at this point, this will become a breaker block. This lets me know price is going to reverse, okay? We broke out, we're breaking lows right here, but I'm going to be more conservative because we are in an uptrend. We are in a very, very strong uptrend, okay? So I'm going to wait for price to now come down, break a couple more lows, 1 or 2 more lows, potentially even coming up here and retesting this zone to continue down. So let's play this out a little bit more. See? So this is kind of saying, oh, no, we swept liquidity, blah, blah, blah. All right, boom. Now we have another zone right here. This is an order block though. But we'll see if price, like I said, wants to just come down, retest this breaker block, or it might come up here to this order block and then shoot down. So let's see what price wants to do. All right. Boom. Here's that retest that I was talking about. Okay. So price came down. This is no longer a valid zone. I'll just delete this. Price might come up. We can keep that up actually, just in case price does want to come up and respect this to continue down. But at this point, I'll consider this a retest of this breaker block. Put your sells right here, have your stops. I'll have it above this order block just in case. And then at this point, this is where I will scale down to or scale up, I should say, to the higher time frames. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 bullish candles that left a big gap. So right here, we have a 1 hour order block right here. We'll even scale down a little further just in case. Okay, we have a 30 right here. Here is a 30-minute. Do we have any other 30 minutes? We got one right here. Which is a pretty nice one because then we have liquidity right here. You okay, Bubba? And we also have liquidity right here. Okay, so we can have our first TP right here at the 1 hour, or we can do it at 30. I'll do it at the 30 just because, you know, price does like to come. If these zones are really close together, I'll usually do it at the lower time frame zone. So right here, and then we'll scale back to the to the 1 minute. And then for we can leave a runner to this zone right here as well. Okay, so we'll do this and let's just play it out, see what price wants to do. Okay, I don't put my stops to break even either yet, you guys. I usually just let my trade run. I'll accept the loss if it goes. Once we hit, obviously, this 1 hour zone, that's when I'll put my stops to break even. Okay, let's just play this out. Crazy. Look at that drop. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And then our full TP is right here. And that I got smashed. I mean, it's crazy. Whoa, it's crazy how accurate these breaker blocks are. It just gives a better entry model for counter trend trades, retracement trades, even if it's, you know, a continuation. Let's see if we can find a continuation one. I think I took one up here. Yeah, I took one over here. So right here, we had a 15, this is a 15-minute. This is a 15-minute, here I'll even, oops. I'll go like this. Because look, we are in an uptrend, right? Got a low, high, low, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, boom, right? So we're in an uptrend. Right here, I believe this was the open. Boom, that was the open. We inverse this 15-minute gap right here. Scale down to the 1 minute. Wait for price to come down. Retest this zone. Boom. Okay, hold on. Let's go down a little bit more. Okay. This middle line too just lets me know if we're respecting this middle line, we're going to continue up, okay? But we do have We tap the zone. We got a little bit of liquidity right here. Got it up here as well. So at this point, let's wait and see if price wants to come down and sweep that low. Boom. Swept that low. We have liquidity swept. So then at this point, we'll just wait for, this is an order block. Oh, this is an order block right here. Okay. So let's see if price wants to go up, respect it to continue down, or, or if price wants to come up, come down, retest this zone to continue up. Okay, so let's see what price wants to do. We had multiple liquidity swept right here too, guys. I mean, look, liquidity. Oops. Liquidity right here. Lots of liquidity. Orders being swept because, like I said, people can buy right here, have their stops below this swing low right here, and then just get taken out. Okay. Someone has to lose in order for you to win, pretty much. Hold on, I need to drink a coffee. All right. So we'll wait. Whoops. We'll wait to see what kind of reaction we get right here. This zone's right here. Haven't tapped it yet. Okay, boom. Tapped it. We're closing in it. We are closing in it. See, this is why you wait for it to break above and do a little retest. Oh, we got another one right here. Okay, this zone is no longer valid. It's not a fresh zone. We'll keep it up just for your guys' eyes' sake. So this is considered a breaker. We have a zone right here. You are a mess right now, bro. No. All right, I'm gonna try to hurry because now my son's done eating. So we have this is a not very like clear zone, but let's see if it's clear. Okay, so we kind of got like a 2-minute right here. So let's see. I don't really like that 2-minute though. I like this 1 minute more. So let's see. We broke above. Let's see if we can get a little retest. We might not get a retest. Oh, but we retested this one. This one's kind of confusing. Okay, because that was my first entry, honestly. I actually took this trade. So we had a retest right here. Boom, we could enter at that one, put our stops. We can put them below right here, have a 50-point stop just in case. And then obviously this is where I would take put break even, or you can have just your take profit right here. Let's see if this plays out. Nope. Okay, we get taken out. That's fine. Got an order block right here. This is all so confusing. Let me take this off. These zones are no longer valid. We got a zone right here. Okay, so really, now we got 2 zones, right? If price wants to come down below, we can take the retest, take it down. Or if price wants to go up, come down, and then continue up. See what price wants to do. This is nice. Are you playing with the drums? Okay, hold on. I'll play with you in just a second, okay? I gotta hurry. Okay, we broke out of that zone. Boom, retest. Here's the buy. Put our stops. I'll do a 50-point stop just because we got taken out already. And then right here, aim for a little 1 to 2. Nothing too crazy. Here, I'll change this color, sorry. So this is now a breaker. I am. TP smashed. Oh my gosh. Look at that craziness. That is crazy. I forgot that happened. But that's right. We had a order block right here. We have liquidity all down here. This is not a breaker block model, but this is a really good entry looking. And I took this trade and I took profit right here. Then I saw this crazy rejection. I saw a lot of momentum. This next candle is where I entered. Lots of momentum. I entered at like 84. Oh wait, that was my first one. Yeah, I entered all the way down here on my first one. Anyways, I entered like right here or something. Can't remember exactly, but I entered right here, had a 50-point stop. Boom. And then I swung, I held this bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. I held this to, let's go the 1 hour to that weekly open. I held to about here. I think no, I gained like 300 and something ticks, but as you see, price just continued to shoot up overnight. TP smashed. It's crazy how accurate order blocks and breaker blocks are. So yeah, these were actual trades that I took. This one I did not, just because I had already made like $2,000 that day. But this was a clean entry model. Right here, we have another zone right here. Boom. It's a very minor one, but it's valid. Where is it? Right here. Okay. We have a rejection. Here, let me move this. We have an order block right here. 1, 2, kind of 3-ish bullish candles. We came up and took this liquidity right here. And then we started to come down, respected it once, twice, 3 times. I would consider this the retest right here because of how bearish we are in this candle. So boom, enter at this retest or even the break of that. Have your stop above this zone and then have your same take profits. You could have caught 2 banger-ass trades right here. I mean, you would have scaled in on this position, but it's just how accurate these breaker blocks are. Okay. Super simple entry model. I use it on the daily in my trading strategy. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Hit me up on Instagram. And then I also do have a free Discord that I'll put the link in the bio. It's not going to be free for very long, probably like another month or two, just to get, people in there, people engaging and whatnot, people who want to learn trading. We discuss everything from trading ideas, psychology, just everything, health, everything. I want to start creating like a really good community of like-minded people who are just on the same path as me. So I'm really into my health this year. Like I'm about to go take 3 of my juice shots. I got some beef Oregon supplements that I take. I got zinc. I got elderberry. I got all kinds of vitamins that I take. Electrolytes. The Element electrolytes are fire. They're so good. The raspberry is my favorite flavor. Um, so yeah, we just kind of like discuss things like that in there. If you guys want, like I said, it's completely free for now. Not sure how long exactly I'll keep it free. Who knows? I might just keep it free. I don't know. And then, maybe I'll do like some one-on-ones or something if people are really wanting to scale up their trading level. So, yeah, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, please. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.